Thank you so much guys for watching my previous video about my drone where I unboxed and assembled my drone, and most of the viewers, they also requested to show us how to connect the drone to the mobile phone or how to make video. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your drone to your phone and how to capture the video through drone. Okay, so first of all, you would be needing an app that connects phone to the drone and capture the video. So it always comes with your drone. You need to scan that QR code and it directly takes you to the download website or app store. So in my drone, I have downloaded already that Wi-Fi UAV and switch on your drone. After switching on your drone, go to your mobile settings or go to your Wi-Fi. Go for the scanning and you will see your drone description. And my drone is showing flow 4K. So this is 4K drone. So I'm selecting this one. It's connecting to, yes, connected without internet. Not a problem. We don't need internet through drone. We need a video. Now go back to your app. Open your app and it should show you the same ID that it was showing in Wi-Fi. So it means it's connected. Go to the start and there you go. Your drone is connected to your phone. There is a drone. I'm moving drone around my room. You can see the video through drone. To record your video, you will see a icon with the camera sign. You tap on that and it shows you the video recording has been started. Now I'm gonna move my drone around and it's being recorded. Okay, let's check. Has it been recorded? Yes guys, we have stopped recording the video. Now you can go to your phone gallery and there you can find your video. There's the video that we just recorded with our drone. Now I'll show you how to switch the camera. You press this button. Now the bottom camera is working now. You have to go high. You see. Now the camera in the bottom is recording the video. You see the drone position and the video. So the bottom camera is on. If I put it straight, so it's going straight to the vertical. So it's showing to you the view of the room. If I put on a straight, so it's showing the bottom. Hope you guys liked my video and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and also share with your friend. Thank you so much.